Come test drive the 2013 Chrysler Town & Country. Town & Country's V6 engine provides plenty of power while still providing the fuel efficiency you look for in a vehicle. Tow up to 3,600 pounds when your Town & Country is equipped with the Towing Prep Package. Seat 7 comfortably and choose from stow and go seating or the innovative swivel and go seating. And is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, traction control, power passenger seat, quad seating, heated seats, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, HomeLink garage door opener, power steering, floor mats. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.